got this MicroStitch machine from Amazon to try to avoid having to send my clothes to a seamstress all the time. And basically what I use it for is to hem pants or to tailor some shirts or fix hems. So there's a lot of things that you can use this for. I do sometimes use the stitch glue. I don't have a sewing machine, so this actually works wonders. Let me show you what it looks like. Here is the gun itself. It's very lightweight. Here are the fasteners, and it does come with quite a few fasteners. Let me show you. It does have a lot of white and black fasteners that it comes with. It took me a minute to figure out how to put the needle in, but I'm going to show you that real quick. Let me take these fasteners out. I already have the needle in. Basically, it does come separate. So initially I thought it was broken. But what you want to do is you see this lever, you want to slide it forward, turn it all the way to the front, and you can pull the needle out. Now to put it in, you see that little notch at the top. You want that facing 12 o'clock. Make sure this is pointed forward. Then you're going to slide this back to lock it in place. And now it is not going to come back and the trigger works. It does come with a little silicone cover to protect the needle from breakage. So that's very, very important. And when you place in the fasteners, you're going to see the little slot here. So the round backing goes into the round hole there. It's pretty self-explanatory. When you slide it in, you're going to hear like a little click, and that's how you know that it is fastened in there. Here is my shirt. I already put one fastener in there just so you can see how it works. This is what it looks like. You can barely see it, but because this is a sweater material, it is a little heavy. I'm going to put another fastener in right here, and it goes in just like that. So simple, so easy to use. You get that slouchy look. Of course, this is a little heavier, so you're going to see the pulling there. Again, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. To hem, what you're going to want to do is reverse the pants and then put the hem into the pants. So you're not going to see any of these plastic bits right here. But I do want to show you, I mean, they're barely visible. This is pink. I used the black. It's barely visible. And all you have to do is cut it to release it. And that is exactly how it works. So I love it. And I think it's a great little tool. Highly recommend.